Today we're going to take a look at our 2005 Albin 28 Tournament Express. The listing broker sold this boat new and it has been lightly used and well maintained with under 600 hours as of this video. This express cruiser has been designed to give a safe and stable ride in heavy sea conditions and also has a very economical fuel consumption. Great for family boating and fishing alike, these Albin 28s are a popular choice for a small but very able cruiser. Notable features include a generator, marine air conditioning, and a bow thruster. The wide unobstructed side decks and the grab rails on the wheelhouse and roof are ideal for fishing. The sturdy stainless steel bow rail extends all the way to the back of the wheelhouse for extra safety. It features an electric windlass and the large 10-inch mooring cleats will keep you secure. There is a large opening hatch in the forward cabin roof and the center windshield can open for ventilation. Moving into the cockpit, you'll find that it is quite large with enough room for your friends, dogs, and fishing. It is easily accessed by the port side transom door and is ideal for fishing with their bait well, rod storage rack, rod holders, and tackle drawers. The fresh hot and cold water shower at the stern comes in handy after a full day of sun and fun on the water. There are large storage and access hatches in the deck. The center seat lifts to reveal the single 315 horsepower Yanmar diesel engine and it is easily accessed from all angles. This engine makes for superior economical operation while sacrificing nothing to a twin-engine design in terms of maneuverability. The solid pilothouse with the aft drop curtain provides full weather protection when you're at the helm. There's a lot of storage here and the navigation station also has crew seating. The helm seat can both slide and swivel and there is hydraulic steering with a wheel that can be tilted up and down. She features a Garmin chart plotter as well as a bow thruster. There are sliding windows on both port and starboard of the wheelhouse and when paired with the center window creates plenty of ventilation aboard. Below decks, the cabin is accented with teak trim, Formica cabinets, courtesy lighting in addition to the excellent natural light and ventilation provided from 6 opening stainless steel ports and a large overhead hatch. The quarter berth and spacious convertible dinette combine to comfortably sleep 4. Removable forward backrests easily turn the U-shaped dinette into a queen-size double berth with additional storage beneath. The full-size galley includes a refrigerator, single-burner stove, stainless steel sink with hot and cold pressurized water, microwave oven, and a fold-up countertop. The quarter berth to port extends beneath the bridge deck and features a full-size double berth with a storage bin below. The fully enclosed head features a manual toilet with holding tank, hot and cold shower wand, and a stainless steel sink with vanity and ample storage. This boat is an excellent example of the 2005 Albin 28 Tournament Express, and it's an exceptional package at a very affordable price. The full specs and asking price are at the link in the description below, and for our other listings, visit our website.